Hey YouTubers, thanks for stopping by. Today we are going to be making apple pie from natasha'skitchen.com. Link in the description below. This is an awesome pie. I've made it several times myself. In fact, my version of this pie has been given the title of Best Apple Pie South of I-80. Now, to be honest, I'm the one that gave it that title. So what's my secret for making such an awesome apple pie? Well, I'll tell you. As it turns out, I am gender fluid. And when I make my apple pie, I transition into an old white woman from the 1950s. Go figure. And when I transition, I go by the name of Lois Pauline. And just so we avoid any unnecessary microaggressions, my pronouns are Nana and Mima. So let's get to it. First, I get my magic wooden spoon and I concentrate and say, I wish I were an old white man. I wish I were an old white man. I wish I were an old white woman. Hey YouTubers, thanks for stopping by. Today we are going to be making apple pie. Not just any apple pie, this apple pie has been labeled the best apple pie south of Route 30. Because you know, I-80 didn't come around until the late 50s. So let's get started. First thing we need to do is make our pie crust. Let's get our ingredients together.
We're going to need a little bit of flour, some sugar, a little bit of salt. We want to get our ice water ready to go, and then we're going to cube up some butter.
Next, we need to get out the food processor. Seriously? This is all they had in the 50s? That sucks.
I'll be honest with you, a food processor is really nice for this step. Natasha says add 7 tablespoons of water, but I usually end up adding 9. Once our dough is formed, we put it out onto our work surface and bring it into a big ball. The ball gets split in 2, and each half we make into a disc. Wrap those 2 babies up, and they are going in the fridge to stay cool while we work on our filling. For this step, I invested the money in a Johnny apple peeler. You can do it by hand, and I have done that, but this makes it go a lot quicker. Next step is to add some cinnamon and to give these slices a good shake. After that, we'll be heating up some butter, adding a little bit of flour to that. Then we add our sugar and just a little bit of water, and we let that simmer for, I don't know, 3 minutes. Then it goes on the apple slices. This is our secret best filling, well, Natasha's secret best filling. Mix that up till everything is coated nicely. All right, we need somewhere for that appley goodness to go, so we need to get going on our bottom crust. Nice. Moving on to the top crust. I'll be doing a lattice top for this pie. So we roll out the second disc, and then I get out the pizza cutter to cut my strips. Last step, don't forget the egg wash. This keeps it from burning and gives it that golden brown, flaky, yummy look.
My work here is done. It's time for me to transition back to my younger 21st century self. So, here we go. I wish I were a straight white male. I wish I were a straight white male. I'm back. And it's time for the pie to come out of the oven. Perfect timing.
Oh yeah. Sweet. So there you have it. The best apple pie south of I-80. Thanks for stopping by. See you next time.